So, there's a lot of water under the city of Oasis. What a surprise! Oh, sorry, I hacked into your Echo device shortly after we met, so I can see everything you can. I get horrifically bored, and it's fun to watch you kill people.
If you got the money, I'll save your gall-darn life. Set out! Buy a gun already! Your cash ain't worth a thing if you don't spend it. You're my millionth customer. Don't let it go to your head. May it help you kill many things. Come back anytime.